For this recipe we need 4 tablespoons of besan or gram flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 to 2 tablespoons of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon dry mango powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste, juice of half lime, oil for frying, and here we have taken lady's finger, also known as okra, cut into thin long strips. We will see how to cut these thin long strips. Cut both the ends of the lady finger and vertically cut it into 2 parts. With the help of thumb, remove the middle part of the lady finger containing seeds. After removing the seeds, cut it into thin long strips. Repeat the same process to cut the other lady's fingers. To these thin strips of lady's fingers, add red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, dry mango powder, chaat masala, lime juice, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 4 tablespoons of besan or gram flour, and at the end salt as per taste. Mix everything well so that all the ingredients should be nicely coated to the thin strips of lady's fingers. After some time it will look like this, as the lady's finger will lose some water. If not, you can just wet your hands and mix everything together. But don't apply too much water, otherwise the lady's fingers will not be crispy. Keep some oil for frying. When the oil is very hot, fry them until they are golden brown and crispy. After frying, immediately add some chaat masala and mix everything well. It will give a nice flavor. The crispy lady's fingers or okra is ready to serve. By breaking some, I will show you how crispy they are. You can enjoy it as a snack or as a side dish with your lunch or dinner. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Also press the bell icon so that you will get notification each time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.